guys, this video is going to be a really quick one. I just want you to understand that in order for you to show up and rank at the top of Google, there are three main listings that you need to do. You need to fill out the profiles of these if you really want to rank on Google Maps and in your local area. First things first, let me introduce myself. My name is Karen Velandia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I am a marketer, online advertising and SEO expert. I've been in the business for about 8 years, and today I want to share with you the most efficient and the fastest way to rank at the top of Google. If you haven't watched my entire older videos and tutorials about how you optimize your Google business profile efficiently, I created this video for you so you don't want to miss out. The very first thing you need to do is go and create and optimize the Google business profile entirely. That is the very first thing you need to do when it comes to local ranking. If you have a local business, if you're a real estate agent, this is the very first thing you do. That's how people actually go and find you. That is the way. If someone's looking on Google and they're looking for a specific product or service near you, this is exactly how they find you. You need to put up the best pictures you have, the best information, the most accurate and up-to-date information that you have, your products, questions and answers, reviews, all the good stuff in there. The number two, the second listing I highly recommend you to create is Apple Maps for Business, or Apple Places, for Apple Maps for Business, they call it. So Apple, as you see, the majority of people are using iPhones. So they go directly to Safari to look for information. When that happens, Apple Maps activates it and gives the people the most accurate information in the businesses that are listed on Apple Maps for Business. You need to create an account. It's completely free. I'm going to leave all the links in that description below so you don't miss anything and you actually go there and create your own profile from there. It's completely free. You need to create a new Apple account, but you will be set up. You have to have all the information of your business in there. And number three is Bing Places. Bing for Business is the exact same way, because Bing is another search engine. It's literally the competition of Google, but you need to create the exact same profile that you have on your Google business profile. So once you have your Google business profile optimized and created with all the relevant information about your business, just go directly to Bing Places and you can sync that information in. You can optimize it, add pictures, add updates if you have promotions. Just make it look good as well. Why these three steps are so important for you to rank at Google? Because if you have Apple, if you have Bing, people are actively looking for you or for a product or service like yours. You have higher chances to get the logarithm to bring people to you, to rank yourself on Google higher, because it's using the entire information from the internet. So that's exactly how you use it. I've had so many people inside of my Google Maps for Business Essentials Supercharged program, and they have used this step. This is really simple. You don't have to do anything else. It's completely free. That helps you to boost and increase your visibility a little more. I hope you're using this, because not a lot of people are doing it. If you're watching this video today, I want you to go and do this step by step. Go in my description below. Do the step-by-step process. And also, if you feel like you need a little more guidance of how to get this done, I created my entire Google Maps SEO Supercharged program. This program has modules from how to start your Google business profile to how to optimize it, how to conduct keyword research, how to do the step-by-step process of doing all of this, create Google business profiles, create Bing Places profiles, even Apple Maps as well. So everything is out there for you. If you feel like you want to get this done by yourself with a little guidance of myself, you have that in there. We have over 500 members right now, and I want you to be inside of this so you can learn how to do that too. All right, I hope this video was helpful for you. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I talk to you on the next video. Bye bye, YouTube.